Most Japanese students happy to join online classes. An article by Jenny Wallen. More than half of Japanese university students feel good about taking classes online, according to a new survey from Nihon University in Tokyo. Professor Tetsuya Osui from the university used social media to ask 1,572 university students how they felt about online classes, as schools around the world try to find ways to continue teaching during the coronavirus pandemic. He found that 59% were happy to take part in online classes, reports Kyodo News, while 21% said they did not want to do so. Usui also found that for online classes, almost 72% of students preferred video lessons to be available on demand, and only 15% said they would prefer live interactive online classes. Just over 13% said they would like classes to be live but not interactive. The Japanese government says that 66% of public universities and 36% of private universities are now offering online classes. Almost 80% of Japan's universities have also delayed the start of the year, which is usually in April because of the virus. Japanese universities aren't the only one moving their teaching online. The Guardian reports that British universities, Oxford and Cambridge, will be doing their summer exams online. And in Singapore, the government has told schools to stop using video call app Zoom for online classes after hackers interrupted a geography lesson, reports the Associated Press. This is Teacher Riza, and thank you so much for reading with me. I hope that this video will help you in improving your English skills. Please like and subscribe for more additional videos. See you again!